What if we could flick a molecular switch to end the mental gridlock caused by biological stress? Laboratory data on ISRIB is revealing how we might bypass the brain's emergency shutdown mode and subjects experience extreme exhaustion. A 2023 study in the Journal of Neuroscience indicates a 70% reduction in cognitive interference markers in rodent models. This molecule clears the cellular roadblocks that stall protein production post-TBI, effectively restoring mental processing speed. This fundamental clearing of neural pathways provides the foundation for our next focus, J147, which targets the metabolic side of decline. My name is Salem Savage from ChemCenter Bio, and this is strictly educational, highlighting legal animal research. I do not endorse or advocate for the personal use of any of these compounds. Never rely on the internet for medical advice. Scientific focus is now shifting toward how we might shield delicate neural pathways from the damage caused by chronic metabolic decay. Building on that cellular clearing, J147 is being evaluated for its retinal nerve preservation in metabolic research models. Data published in the journal Detox Biology shows a 45% increase in survival markers for neurons under high glucose stress. By optimizing mitochondrial power, this compound keeps vision-related pathways firing, even under pressure. While J147 protects the energy supply, maintaining high-level signaling requires the advanced stability found in NA-Cmax amidate. One more thing. J147 is the synthetic version of curcumin. Curcumin is already essential for the brain, for brain healing. It's apparently 90 times more potent than curcumin itself because it's synthetic, crosses the blood-brain barrier much more effectively. This is not medical advice. This is only educational data as it relates to animal studies only. I do not endorse the personal use of any of these compounds. In the world of peptide research, stability is everything when attempting to protect the brain from oxygen deprivation and restricted blood flow. To maintain those communication lines, NA-Cmax amidate is a primary focus for research into stroke injury. Laboratory findings suggest a 60% boost in gene expression for neural survival during these critical events. NA-Cmax, this version is engineered to last far longer than the original iterations, protecting signaling pathways so a physical shield like cerebrolysine can be introduced. My name is Salem Savage from ChemCenter Bio. I'm providing educational material only based off laboratory research in animal models. I do not endorse the personal use of any of these compounds. Social media is for learning, not for medical guidance. Researchers are now uncovering how specific bio-derived blends physically reorganize and repair a declining nervous system after brain trauma. Following that internal protection, cerebrolysine has become a cornerstone for motor coordination research in aging models. A study featured in the Frontiers in Neurology observed a 50% jump in movement precision markers in elderly research subjects. It provides the essential growth factors needed to physically rewire damaged neural networks. Once that structure is reinforced, the Clo blend can address systemic repair. I'm Salem Savage from ChemCenter Bio. This information covers animal study data for educational use only. I do not advocate for human application. Stay safe and avoid taking medical advice from a video. What happens when 4 of the most potent tissue repair molecules are combined into one specialized research observation? With the structural foundation set, the Clo blend addresses systemic inflammation and tissue wear at its core. In our observations, a non-human research primate with chronic stress markers showed 75% lower inflammatory signaling while utilizing this 80 milligram stack of GHK-Cu copper, TB500, BP157, and KPV. The subject demonstrated excellent focus and physical vitality for 2 days straight. To finalize this restoration, we look at the body's natural healing rhythms with sermorelin. My name's Salem Savage from Ken Center Bio. We're reviewing laboratory observations based off animal studies for education purposes only. Not intended for personal use. Do not endorse the use of any of these compounds. Keep your medical decisions between you and your doctor. The final piece of the neural regeneration puzzle isn't about stimulation, but about optimizing the brain's internal cleaning crew. Sermorelin is currently being studied for its role in sleep-dependent brain detoxification through the glymphatic system. Research data indicates a 30% increase in waste clearance markers during deep wave sleep. By restoring the amplitude of natural growth hormone pulses, it completes the long-term restoration cycle for both brain and body. My name is Salem Savage from Ken Center Bio, and this concludes our educational review of animal research data. This is for learning, not for treatment. Remember, social media is not a substitute for a licensed physician.